In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create repository in Bitbucket and push code. By the end, you'll have a clean new repository set up along with everything you need to start sending your code to it from your machine. First, open your browser and go to bitbucket.org. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can create resources in your workspace. At the top of the Bitbucket interface, look for the Create button in the header and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Repository. This tells Bitbucket you want a new code repository rather than something like a project or a snippet. Next, select the project where this repository should live. In Bitbucket, projects help you group related repositories and manage permissions consistently. If your workspace already has a project for your team or application, select that. If you're unsure, choose the most relevant project so access stays organized. Enter a clear repository name. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with your team's naming conventions. This name becomes part of the repository URL, so avoid spaces and special characters if possible. Choose the access level. Private keeps your code visible only to people you explicitly invite and is the safest default for most teams. Public makes the repository visible to anyone with the URL, which can be useful for open source work. Choose whether to include a README. Adding one now is a great idea. It gives you an immediate place to describe the project, set up instructions, and how to contribute. Even a simple one-line description helps future collaborators. Set the default branch name. Most teams use main today, but match whatever your organization prefers. The default branch is where pull requests and protections often center, so choose carefully. Decide whether to include a.gitignore. This file keeps unnecessary files like build artifacts, logs, or environment files out of version control. Pick a template that matches your tech stack so you don't accidentally commit large or sensitive files. Click Create Repository. Bitbucket will generate the repo and take you to its landing page. You're now ready to push code. On this page, Bitbucket shows clone and push instructions, including the repository URL. Choose HTTPS or SSH based on your organization's policy. If you use SSH, make sure your SSH key is added to your account. If you use HTTPS, consider an app password for secure access. From your local project, commit your changes, add this repository as the remote, and push to the default branch you set. After the first push, you'll be able to keep working and push updates as usual. That's it. Your Bitbucket repository is ready, and your code can flow smoothly.